The new weapon has a 20-round magazine which is quickly and easily replaced. Before removing an empty magazine, the safety is placed on safe. The empty magazine is removed and a loaded magazine is snapped into place so that it is engaged by the rear of the operating rod spring guide and the magazine latch. Now allow the operating rod spring to force the operating rod forward, carrying the bolt with it, to chamber the first round and lock the bolt. The rifle is now cocked and ready to fire when the safety is off. The magazine also can be replenished from the top with clips of 5 rounds each without removing the magazine from the weapon.
Let's try.